Okay, so this is a desk that we got for my daughter's room. Excuse the fingerprints. We're gonna move it upstairs. But this thing was under $100. I put it together myself, and I am the least handy person probably on the planet. It has all these little shelving units, so it's a corner desk. It takes up less space than a, normal desk. It comes in different colors. It's just press board, but it's sturdy. It was fairly easy to put together. It has plugs, 2 USBs, and then it came with I don't know if you can see it, like a light strip that you can attach underneath, so it changes colors, and that's cool. So when you plug it in, you see all the different colors. I think it's awesome. It also has this pull-out keyboard tray. Super cute, very easy to assemble, under $100. And yeah, I think it's awesome for a kid's room, a teen's room, an adult's room if you need to save space. And so you have this shelving, down here shelving, you have your little keyboard pull-out area, then you have this whole area, and you have the top. Highly recommend. I think it's awesome. I absolutely love it.